Hi everyone, hope so you all are fine. Today I am show you how to disable your virus and threat protection setting. Okay, completely disable, because in some institutes this may be not allowed because of any restrictions, and here this type of page is shown that your IT administrator has limited access or whatever. Next, you may not be able to disable or this setting is hide. Okay, today I show you simple and clear method simply in 2 to 3 minutes on Windows 10, Windows 10 Pro to Windows 10 11. In every window you may try. This may be more effective and useful to you. Okay, so just simple type group policy. Okay, edit group policy here on search bar and then open it. My system is little bit slow, but it's okay. And here you just maximize it and move to the left side on computer configuration. Below here you see that administrative templates. Just click the drop down menu and move to window component. Okay, then drag down at last of that. You see that there is an window protection or Microsoft Defender, right? Okay, here just like Microsoft Defender antivirus, here then you moved and see down that there is a real-time protection. Okay, and just you see here too much drop down menus open and everything is not configured. Here turn off real-time protection, because turn off means when you enable your Microsoft Defender, your Windows Defender is turned off. When you disable, here double click and policy setting may be shown. Then not configured mean that you may show and you may see virus and threat protection setting in your Windows setting. Okay, otherwise when you disable and policies return, the policies setting turns off real-time protection, prompts for non-using malware detection. If you enable this policy setting, antivirus will not prompt users to take action on malware decisions. Okay, through this I will enable that. And next setting, in next setting here you may not need, only previous setting you may turn off real-time protection and this may be enabled. Okay, cancel, because I enable and you should apply and then okay. Now and that after this you may be easy to use or install any software. Okay, thanks.